Good morning, guys. I have just woken up. Welcome to the vlog. And I just got up and started vlogging because I thought that I might reach 100k today. So it's currently 9 a.m. and I have to get started with my office in some time. So I'm just gonna go and have my breakfast. If you're not following me on Instagram, you should. I always post some little breakfast details there as well. Now I try many different things in my breakfast, so you can just check that out for some ideas. So yeah, let's just get started with the vlog. I have to work throughout the day today, so I don't know if I'll reach 100k today or not, but I just thought, I should just start vlogging the entire celebration and everything if I reach today. So let's see, and yeah, let's get into the video. So it's currently around 2 and I have just been working. I think you must have seen the clip wherein I actually reached 100k last night only, but I didn't check my phone at all and I didn't check the notifications and I just started vlogging. But yeah, in between my meeting, one of my friend informed me, and then I just checked everything and I was so happy. And my meeting was going on at that time, so I couldn't really do anything. It was just a silent clip. So yeah, now I'm on my lunch break and I'm just gonna go. I've changed into my old night outfit and I'm just going to apply some oil to my hair and I'm going to wash my hair because they are really in a bad condition. So I'm just gonna go and wash my hair, get a little nice and good, and yeah, I'm just gonna continue with my office, but later on in the evening I'm gonna go and prepare for my celebration. So yeah, I'm gonna go with my father to buy some cake and some balloons and everything. So I think now you're just gonna see next that clip only because I have a lot of work during the day, so I don't think I will be able to vlog, but if I will be, you will see that clip. Otherwise, the cake and the balloons. Let's go. I just wanted to get the helium balloons, but they were not available, so I had to get these normal wala balloons. But that's okay. I'm just gonna stick them up on my wall using some double-sided tape, and I think it's gonna work. Okay, don't even ask me how I will take all of that on bike because we didn't get our car for the first time. Wow. Okay, so I'm back home with all of the stuff and now it's time to actually decorate the things. I'm just gonna shoot a little videos and everything for Instagram and Moj. So that is the next task, and I have a little vision in my mind that what I want to make and what type of a video I want to make. So I'm just gonna prep up for that and actually change in a decent attire actually that will look like I'm celebrating. But yeah, later after this, what happened to the light? Okay, yeah, but later after this, a little recording, shooting and everything, we are actually going to have that yummy cake. It's so pretty. I'm just going to show you like in a minute. We are going to have that cake. We are also going out for some time and we are going to have pizza today. So it's going to be a very good day. So yeah, let's just get right into the decoration. I'm not sure if I will be able to vlog it because I'm not in a very good looking attire right now, but let's see. Okay, cut to the decorated room. just got done with the complete decoration and my room is a complete mess right now. So I'm just gonna clean that up and get back to you with a little dressed look. Okay, so guys, this is to turning 100k first ever time on any social media. So this is a very, very, very happy moment for me, and I'm so happy that finally my videos were appreciated by people, and I reached 100k mark. And I was so excited for the preparations that I just got all these balloons and everything, and the cake. Oh my god, it's so yummy! I can't resist. We are just gonna go and cut the cake now. I don't know if I'll record that or not, but yeah, it was a very, very fun day, and I'll attach some clips if I have any more. But yeah, you can check out some reels and also some Moj videos that I made about this special day. I'll link everything in the description. So yay. So I wanted to get those helium balloons, but unfortunately they were not available right now, and I was not expecting 100k to be frank abhi. But yeah, it just happened like very quickly, so I'm very, very happy about that. But yeah, they were not available, so I just rather got these normal wala balloons and also these some confetti wala. I really like them so much. So yeah, I have just dressed up a little bit, and yes, I've just dressed up a little bit, just a little bit of makeup, and baki ring light ka kamal hai yaar, aisa kuch nahi hai. So yeah, I'm really, really happy, and yeah, we are going to have a pizza party now, and the treat is on me today. I'm just very, very extremely happy. I'm taking a moment to appreciate this cake. Like, wow, just look at this, okay? Just look at this cake. Okay, too much brightness, wait. Yeah, better. So just look at this cake. It is so pretty. I am definitely going to add like a montage or something about the cake. The cake looks so delicious. I just want to eat all of it right now. Very, very tasty. I'll also link from where I got these cakes if I can find any you know, like online link for those shops. If you're in Kanpur, you can definitely get them. And this was very, very cheap also. This was just for 300. So yeah, that was a good thing. But the balloons, oh my god, these balloons come so costly. I didn't know that, but yeah, it was a good investment, and I really enjoyed doing this. So yeah, now let's just go ahead, cut the cake, taste the cake, change, and gain some weight by eating cheese burst pizzas. Today's day has been full of some ninja type techniques. Basically, I got all of these balloons and the cake on the bike. Very, very difficult, but yeah, it's worth it.
Happy. 1001 lakhs.
Happy 100k to you.
And Domino's is here. Yummy. Okay, so we got 3 pizzas. 2 of them we got Indi Tandoori Paneer. If you haven't tried that pizza, you should try. Everyone in my family loves that. And I am a margarita lover, so I also got one regular size margarita for me. But yeah, you should definitely try the Indi Tandoori by Domino's. It's very, very yummy. Okay, so we also got a pineapple cake for this little one because we don't give like too much chocolate to him. Actually, this is also not very healthy for him, but you know, he doesn't resist. You can see him how he's eating the cake even faster than any elder can eat. So he really loves cake. So we got this pineapple one for him. And this is the Indi Tandoori Paneer that I was talking to you guys about. Definitely a very big yes from my end. You should definitely try. So this is actually days after, I think about 2 to 3 days after I reached 100k, I guess. Not sure. But yeah, a little after, and I just thought to add this in the video because now all the decoration is down because it was on top of my bed, so I just removed that, and I'm gonna take out the hawa of those balloons and just संभाल के रखूंगी यार आगे के लिए maybe. So let's see, I'm gonna do that. And the other thing that I did is, you must have seen the clip or you will see the clip, is my nails. Very beautiful nails. So yeah, I did some nail art also. Okay, so this is how the nails turned out. Now they look very bright with this little filter that I have on, but I'm so loving this Instagram filter. So yes, they look super amazing. I love how this pattern turned out. Okay, so that is the real color. They are very subtle and not extremely bright. So yay! So as I told you, it's days after, and now I am eating the 100k label of my cake. Finally, I'm just having some leftover cake with my food, and all the decoration is down as I told you, and it's here right now. I just have to take all the hawa out of these balloons, and yay! Yeah, so guys, as I was saying in the last clip, that you will see the nails, and don't worry, it's not another day. I've just opened up my hair, which are again in a dirty state. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It is very late here right now, and tomorrow I have to post this video, but I forgot to add the outro. So here I am again. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really had a very great day. I actually also did go out with my friends, but I couldn't vlog that. But yeah, so basically it was a very good day. I really enjoyed it, and if you're still not a part of the party, please go download the Moj app and follow me there, because all of this content that is not even on Instagram, first सबसे पहले it goes live on Moj. I always post सबसे पहले on Moj, then on Instagram and later on YouTube. So YouTube पे सबसे end में आता है, तो अगर Moj नहीं है तो please go and follow me on my Instagram. You'll definitely see many things there. I have actually tried a very different type of a reel also recently, so do check that out. And if you want to see, I think I've said that, but if you want to see the complete nail art like tutorial or everything, you can go check out on Instagram and Moj both. It's up on both the platforms. So yes, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what you think about it, and if you're on Moj or not. Just comment below if you're on Moj and if you follow me there. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Follow me on my Instagram, follow that DIY Miss. Also प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब अब कर दो यार, वहाँ पे 1 लाख हो गए, यहाँ पे 1000 तो कर लेते हैं प्लीज़. सो गो एंड सब्सक्राइब, एंड आई विल सी यू गाइज इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन, बाय.